Good afternoon guys, welcome back for another video of service reset my car. Today I'm going to show you how to service reset an Audi A6 2012 model. And I'm going to show you how you can reset the service indicator by hand, so you can do it for yourself. Our YouTube channel is Service Reset My Car. We'd appreciate any kind of support by liking or subscribing. If you have any question, you can use the comment area. Any comments, positive, negative, doesn't matter. Use the comment area and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, let's start with this one. This is an Audi A6 2012 model. We start by turning or pressing the ignition off. And then, okay, everything is turned off. Turn back on the ignition. Or press the ignition on. Okay. And to reset, you have to use this area, and you can use these buttons to reset this. Okay, we have to go to car menu and then do the car options. This one, car options. Once you are there, you press the turn wheel. Okay, once you are here, you use this button over here to access this area, car systems. Once you are there, it's very easy. Press the turn wheel, then you can check the service indicator over here. I resetted it, turn to down, and here it asks us to, if you are sure we want to reset the service indicator, you can press it and press it again to confirm. And once you have confirmed it, next service is about 365 days or 15,000 kilometers. Okay, that was it for today. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it, and if you didn't subscribe yet, feel free to subscribe, and see you next time with another video with another car. Thank you. Bye bye.